Dude, that was the cleanest I've ever run that rapid. Gun forgot where to go. What did you do?
I don't know.
Alright guys, I'm in the parking lot for the Horsepasture River. As you can tell behind me, sun's about to go down. We're gonna boogie because I had to work today, and we got like an hour before the sun goes down. Either way, we're gonna have to boogie, absolutely book it through some stacked class 5, and probably end up hiking out in the dark. Looks like there's one other crew in there. Hopefully we don't catch them because they're definitely hiking out in the dark if that's the case. Well, it's 7:30, we're at the river, and we have 20 minutes until the sun goes down. Gun forgot where to go. Inside when you're not there. Weight of the world on me, I don't care. I wanna taste of your freedom. I wanna taste of your Dude, that was the cleanest I've ever run that rapid.
Yeah, I ran that really fun.
Woo, baby! That was so good! His fast, it was probably in that 20-minute mark. What is this mess? Since when has there been a road here? I'm used to that. What did you do?
I don't know.
Oh, here it is. Donate below to buy Kenny new shoes.
I'm a hobbit.
Now, we get the final push. Now that we've hiked this whole trail, back to the road, back to the car. You're not happy?
I'm not happy.
All right, guys, that was definitely one for the books. We made it to the takeout at about 8 o'clock, just as the sun was going down. Definitely booked it for the hike. And Kenny's shoe exploded. So we got all that rigged up. That definitely delayed some time. It actually ended up taking us about an hour and a half to hike out. But I'm out here under the stars. Gorgeous moon, gorgeous stars, and probably about 20 minutes to spare before they kick me out of gorgeous state park. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna get out of here. We'll see you next time.